AI is replacing students faster than anyone expected. Top performers aren't studying harder anymore. They're using AI to learn faster, write better, and automate everything. While others struggle for hours, some students finish work in minutes. Here's what they're using: smart tablets for faster learning and notes, AI-powered stylus, plus digital writing setups, blue light glasses to stay focused longer, portable study lamps for late-night productivity, and smart timers that boost deep focus sessions. This isn't the future, it's already happening. If you're not using AI in your studies, you're already falling behind. Links are in the description. Which one would you start with?